Namaste everyone. Today is Kurma Jayanti, Vishnu's turtle form avatar. Kurma Avataram is the second incarnation of Sri Mahavishnu 10 stars in Hinduism Puranas. Kurma means turtle. For the sake of nectar, the gods have decided the Mandara mountain as a shield. And if you put it in the milk sea, it is a little bit of white that is drowned in the sea of milk. Vishnumurti will bear it in Kurma Avatar. This is the incarnation that happened in Kriti Yugam. Avatar story. Durvasa Maharshi, who was once angry at Devendra's behavior, cursed that goddesses are powerless. That's why the goddesses were defeated by the Donas. When they bargained with Vishnu, Silly, the ruling ocean of all medicines, and attained the nectar, Vishnu advised. The goddesses made a treaty with Donas, who are more powerful than themselves, for that great deed. The mountain of hibiscus has started as a shore and as a shore to Vasuki, but Mandaragiri has drowned in white. The situation has produced where the work is going to be in vain. The Sri Mahavishnu wore Kurma Avataram and bear that mountain. Thus, with the support of Deva Deva, the work of Samudra Mathana continues. First of all, the Halahalam that can destroy the world has emerged. Lord Shiva listened to the voice of the goddesses, gave mercy, ate the Halahala, and stood in his voice. That is why he is called Garalakanta and Neelakanta. Then came Sura, that is Madhu. Then Apsarasa, Kaustubham, Utsravam, Kalpatri, Kamadhenu, Ayuravatam. After that, Sri Lakshmi Devi, the Trijan Mohini, emerged. All the gods worshipped her, praised her, and offered her gifts. She has come to Sri Mahavishnu. At last, Danavantari came out with the Amrita Kalsham. Later, Vishnu himself made the nectar to be available to the goddesses as Mohini. Temples. In Srikakulam district to Srikakulam town at 15 hours, there is a holy place called Sri Kurma in the distance. Sri Mahavishnu is worshipped here in the form of Kurma Avataram. Kurma Avataram temple is the same in the country. This is how Potana described the matter of Sri Mahavishnu wearing Kurma Avataram and bearing the hell. In his Bhagavatam, Astamaskandam, Kurma Avataram. On the width of Lakh Yojana, Kaduk Goguramba is on the foot. The beautiful river, the grand name of Nahri, the grand Tadambagu, Mukagah Varambu. The stomach of all the average animals is going to be in Mirgi Lok. Vishwambu on Vishwambu, Vishwambu on the top of the legs that do not move. The day. Vipula Tunda of people who are in the world. Mam Bujambula, Boledu Nakshiyugam, Sundarambuga Vishnudu Suralodi, Kurmi is a great Kurmaya. Feelings. With a width of lakhs, there is a strong back, there is a big person who can even conquer the universe when hungry. There is a big stomach that can swallow all the living beings in the world. The legs that do not turn back even if another world falls in the world. There is a big face that moves inside and out. A couple of eyes like lotus is a great Kama form. Pondi Vishnu converted into a great karma by expressing his love for goddesses. The tradition that we worship today comes from our ancestors to the form of Vishnumurti, who got the Kurma Avataram, which was incarnated like that.